Give me a minute and I'll show you how Cloud Firestore can help build apps quickly by simplifying data storage in the cloud. Cloud Firestore is a serverless NoSQL document database that simplifies storing, syncing, and querying data for your mobile, web, and IoT apps at global scale. It simplifies app development, providing built-in security, automatic scaling, and multi-regional replication. It works in near real time, allowing you to fetch changes from your backend as they happen, which means you can collaborate with multiple users and keep your data in sync across multiple devices. It offers robust client libraries and built-in offline support, so your app remains responsive regardless of network latency or internet connectivity. Cloud Firestore integrates with both Google Cloud and Firebase, and creating it is as simple as selecting the location for your database, creating a collection, and then adding documents to it, leading to nested collections and documents per your need. Accessing data is easy. You drill down into a collection and then a document until you get the data you want. Cloud Firestore allows you to directly connect your app to the data, run strong transactions across hundreds of documents, and run sophisticated queries without worrying about performance. It comes with a generous free tier, and it's easy to estimate budget since you pay per read and write. For all these reasons, Cloud Firestore is perfect for cloud-native apps including mobile, web, multi-user gaming apps, IoT, and more. So next time you're thinking about NoSQL document database for your apps, take a minute and look at Firestore. For more info, check out cloud.google.com/Firestore.